Welcome to the Minor and Landis Immigration Update Podcast for January 11th, 2020. If you are a non-immigrant foreign national who has been admitted to the United States, this episode is for you. There is one form that is very often overlooked by busy people traveling back to the United States from abroad that, if forgotten, can cause serious problems with your immigration status. With this podcast, we hope to provide some guidance on what is essential to controlling one's lawful status in the United States and what to do if a foreign national finds that they have failed to maintain their lawful non-immigrant status. Second only to your passport, there is no document more essential to your lawful admission than your Form I-94 arrival departure record. For non-immigrants, legal authorization or permission to remain in the United States is controlled by Form I-94. A foreign national is issued a new Form I-94, and this is important, upon each entry into the United States. You can get the Form I-94 through U.S. Customs and Border Protection on the USCBP website. One of your priorities upon each entry to the United States should be to print and review your Form I-94 and provide a copy to your attorney every time you come to the United States. Given the hectic nature of admissions at U.S. ports of entry and airports, there are numerous opportunities for the Form I-94 to contain errors in the class of admission and the admit until date, which is the expiration of the Form I-94 or the authorized period of admission. Unfortunately, these kinds of mistakes do happen often, and as a foreign national, if these mistakes are missed and you remain in the United States beyond the expiration date of your Form I-94, you are deemed to have failed to maintain your lawful non-immigrant status and may be subject to dire consequences, including automatic cancellation of your visa, permanent ineligibility to apply for a new U.S. visa except at the U.S. Embassy or Consulate in your country of citizenship or residence, and the accrual of unlawful presence. And it gets worse. If you accrue anywhere between 180 and 365 days of unlawful presence, you'll be subject to a 3-year bar on re-entry to the United States from the date that you depart. If you accrue 365 days or more of unlawful presence, you'll then be subject to a 10-year bar on re-entry to the United States from the date that you depart. In addition, if you have failed to maintain your non-immigrant status, you are not eligible to change your status to another non-immigrant classification, extend your non-immigrant status, or adjust your status to lawful permanent resident. Moreover, you would be subject to removal proceedings, which means being deported from the United States. As you can see, the consequences of forgetting to file a correct Form I-94 are serious. If you have remained in the United States beyond the expiration date of your Form I-94 for whatever reason, it is imperative that you seek legal counsel immediately. Please contact Minor and Landis for a consultation to determine how we may be able to assist you in resolving your immigration issues. Minor and Landis' immigration group provides service of only the highest quality at a reasonable cost. Its attorneys and paralegals are not only extremely experienced in all facets of business immigration, but are also highly motivated and responsive to clients' needs. Having trouble keeping up with the ever-changing landscape of immigration law? Save time and effort with the Minor and Landis Immigration Update Podcast. Each week, we scan the news feeds to find topical issues important for busy immigration professionals and produce a 5 to 10 minute podcast that you can download easily and listen to while making breakfast, riding the train, or taking the kids to school. Subscribe now and stay up to date with Minor and Landis. For access to more articles and information, please go to www.minor.com. That's MEYNER.com.